Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your week 4 screencast video. So this week we're going to begin our discussion on rethinking the idea of the research essay. We dive into the textbook. We're going to begin in the textbook in the introduction. Ballinger kind of challenges our thinking about the research essay and what it might sound like. That's the focus of discussion board number 6. So I want to point out to everyone, the discussion boards have kind of rotated everything in and out. Kind of rotated discussion board 5 and 6 to the pin section here. Discussion board number 6, I'll talk a little bit about this. In fact, I'll talk a lot about it in this week's lecture video about exercise 2 and the theories of intelligence. If there's theories of intelligence. If you do not have a textbook for some reason and you don't have this reading in a textbook, please let me know. There is a copy that I can send to you that you can work with. It is week 4 and you should have your textbook by now. So I just want to point out the discussion boards this week. Also, I want to make sure that everybody is aware that, I am recording this on Sunday evening. I understand it is Super Bowl Sunday. I understand if you're a little late with the critical thinking essay, I'm willing to grant some grace time on this. Please don't email me like I'm going to be late. For whatever reason, if you got stuck working, if you just want to watch the game, I got it. So just upload it as soon as possible. I'm willing to give everybody about a 24-hour grace period if something's happened today. Realize it's Super Bowl Sundays. Sometimes there's just not much we can do about the schedule, all right? So you want to make sure you watch this screencast video. Virtual office hours, I want to mention, are beginning Tuesday from 10 to noon and continue every Tuesday until the end of the semester. If for some reason I have to cancel, I'll push out an announcement letting everyone know that I'm forced to cancel office hours. I will, tomorrow on Monday, I will post an announcement with all the links that you can use, or the links that you can use, or even a phone number, really, that you can use to dial in for our WebEx office hours. We will use WebEx for office hours. So if you have any questions or issues, you are free that time between 10 and 12. Please, I urge you to take advantage of office hours. Last semester, I had office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I had a total of like 5 students join office hours to clarify issues. And so it's a tool that is out there. You can use it as a resource, and I urge you to move your schedules around, take advantage of the Tuesday office hours. All right. That being said, look for that announcement tomorrow. Also, if you have any questions about the critical thinking essay, I'll try to answer those tonight. If not, I'll pick those up first thing in the morning. All right, everybody. So good luck. Stay safe out there.